So we're going to learn about how to insert element in heap maxheap. So in this type of data structure, heap, basically, we're going to implement in a very different way. So let's look at the concept. Right here, we're trying to add 50, and this is in the wrong place, right? So in this case, the 50 is in right here. Usually we add it in behind right here, right? And then traverse all the way back to the root where it belongs, right? So the maximum value should be on the top. So let's look at the 50. So this will be current, and this will be parent, and we will compare and replace. So we're going to swap this number, and we will put this number by comparing and swapping. So that will be our strategy. And let's implement that concept on JavaScript. So first, we're going to create this heap, and we're going to have a function called this insert, and we will pass num, which is number. And down here, we're going to have this print, and there will be functions, and we're going to return this heap. And right here, we're going to create current. That will be our, well, first we have to push it on the heap. Push, and then num. Right down here, you're going to have this let current equal to the length of the heap minus 1. Now, when we set the minus 1, we are saying this right here. So in this case, 50 will be down here, right? Because it's linear, right? And then let parent equal to this heap length. Well, it's not going to be that one. So it's very similar to the current, right? So that's why we can use current right here, and minus 1. So you'll be questioning why minus 1. So we don't care about the last number anymore, right here or right here. We care about halfway between, so right here. Okay, so that's why we are minusing and skipping the last number that we just added. So math.floor. So why are we using floor? Well, floor it doesn't round up. It just basically take the numbers, the decimal number, and it doesn't basically it doesn't round up. So we're going to divisible by 2, that means half. Okay, so that will be our parent, and then we're going to have to traverse using while loop. So this heap current is greater than, if it's greater than and this heap parent, then we're going to traverse and then replace or swap. So right here we're going to swap with this heap current and this heap current with the parent. So that's how we swap. Heap and then parent with the current. Well, it's gonna be temp, right? So that's the one. Okay, and then we're going to have to after we swap, we're going to have to traverse with the current. So we're resetting current with the parent. So we're going backward this way, right? So that's why we have to reset the current index value with the parent index value. So basically we are replacing it that. And then we have to calculate the parent new value, which is parent equal to current minus 1 and divisible by 2. So and then we have to floor it. Okay, so that will be our new parent value. So let's see if this is working correctly or not. Control and enter, and it worked. So that's our solution for inserting element in max heap.